That's a song of the 8th. I'm going to end the video soon, probably. So I'll just stop at a random time. This one has nothing in it but glitter. Can you see my tongue through it? My tongue is like almost touching it, but it's not touching it. ASMR. Okay, so that's all of my slimes. So yeah, guys. I can show you my squishies. There's one more slime. Oh, I'm in a big squishy. Here's my biggest squishy. Here's my other slime that has white beads in it. Okay, so here I'll show you all my squishies. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squishies. This one, this big unicorn one, this one, this panda, ow, the George just hit my leg, and here is I can't find my peach one. It's darker. This is a longer shirt than my pants. So yeah. That's the song of the 8th. Well, I have to put all my squishies out because my sister's coming tomorrow. And I hate when she touches my squishies. So I just hide them in my closet along with my slime because she ruins them. She ruins both of the products. Slime, squishies, and my scrunchies. So I have to hide all of that stuff from her. And then I just hide all of these slimes. And I put a shirt to cover them. But yeah. So I'm going to do a LPS video. 3, 2, 1.